Alright y'all, today we are going to be preparing the wig called Dara. This wig has been around for a long time, y'all. This is my first time getting this wig and prepping it. I've never worn this wig before. It's a standard fit. It's a 13x6 lace frontal wig. It comes with 2 clips in the front, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps. We got this baby on our mannequin here. We're going to go ahead and start prepping it. First I'm going to start off with this wax stick. We're going to get the hairline out the way so we can see what the hairline is looking like. Then after that, I'm going to go in with my trusty, dusty, burn your ear, burn the back of your neck, hot comb. Y'all know about this if y'all was born in the 80s. I done got burnt so many times by this. Love my mama, but darn it, I was scorned for a long time. We're going to go ahead and get this hairline plucked. Right now, it looks good to y'all, but fresh out the pack, it's how it's going to look if you put it right on your head, just like this. You don't want to do that. So we got everything laid to the back. Now we're going to go in and separate our front. Right now we're going to do a widow's peak. So I'm sectioning out the front that I want to super thin out so the widow's peak can form. I'm going to go ahead and press that hairline back and get that widow's peak popping, as you can see. Next we're going to go in with some tweezers, y'all. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to have to tweeze this hairline. It looks good to y'all, but right now I'm about to show y'all what tweezers can do. If you're not plucking your hairline, you are making a huge mistake. Go in and thin out that hairline as thin as possible without creating holes or shallow spots in your lace. So just eyeball it, make sure y'all know what y'all doing, and this is what I came up with once I plucked enough hair out to my liking. This side is not done. As you can see the difference, this is still full fresh out the pack. The other side has been plucked. Right now we got both sides plucked, so y'all can see what I'm working with. The install is going to be the bomb. Right now everything is fresh. I am looking at Dara right now. Dara has come with like real relaxed curls in the front of the hair, and these curls are kind of like bomb in the back. So I'm gonna go in with a wand curl. I went out to my local beauty supply store and got this red hot wand curl, and we just gonna go in and we're gonna wand curl the front. Add some curls to this thing, get it popping, get it on. Just slay it out, period. Alright, so we just gonna wrap some hair around these wand curls, and we're gonna go all around the front of the hair. Putting the little curls in the back just to make sure everything is symmetrical and everything is blended together. Hold them curls for a little bit because this is synthetic hair. So you wanna hold it just to get them curls to form and to stay. Look at all that body and that bounce. That makes a whole hell of a difference. And this is the finished look after I came up with the wand curls. This is it. Thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all like this video.